Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Vanessa and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited and happy to announce to you guys, after months of hard work, dedication, trial and error, that I am officially a real estate agent. I passed my real estate licensing exam on June 1st of 2022, and it was a long journey to get here. It wasn't that long, but to me it was pretty long. I'm an impatient person, but I'm just so excited to share with you guys, and you know, hopefully on this channel you guys will follow along my journey into real estate and hopefully investments and all of that type of things. I do have a real estate channel, so if you guys do want to watch that whole side of things, you guys want to see more behind the scenes on that, more in detail, follow my real estate channel. It'll be down below in the description box. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, because you guys know I share all about entrepreneurship. I share all about business, and this is another part of what I'm doing. And I just want you guys all to be part of it. This channel is growing and I'm so excited, and just want to, you know, say thank you guys for all the support and everything. And I just hope that this community grows, and we continue to support each other and everything. So make sure that you guys check out my brand, Royalty Curls, and you guys follow me along my journey of being a real estate agent. I'm super excited for this. I have been waiting for this for a long time. I never thought in a million years I would do real estate, but you know, here we are today. I just got this like feeling inside of me and was like, I think I can do it. Let's try for it. And I did it. And so I am super excited for it, like I said. So if you guys are excited too, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and my real estate channel and my Instagrams, because I'll be showing, you know, behind the scenes, house tours, and all of the real estate industry. So if you guys are excited for these type of videos and you guys want more videos like this, let me know what you guys want to see down below in the description box. I've been kind of playing around with content, you know, intertwining business and personal in vlogs, and so I hope you guys are ready for this too. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna play like a clip here for like the moments after I found out that I passed my real estate exam. So excited. You're the first people I'm telling, but I just passed my freaking real estate exam. It was my third try and I'm so excited. I'm probably gonna cry right now, but there's people like sitting in next to me in both cars, but I really want to scream and cry, because it's like I've been working so hard on this and I've really wanted this, and I can't believe, like, I'm literally like shaking right now. I had to go to the bathroom before, like while the lady was printing my results, because I just could not. I thought I was gonna vomit. I don't know, I was just so nervous, but I'm so excited because I passed. Oh my god, I'm gonna go cry now. I swear, like, I wanted to cry. I remember, and I was like telling my husband that right before I got my results, because you know, I had to do it a couple times. I'm not ashamed to say that. But when I was there waiting for the results, like the lady standing there like printing it out, and I'm like literally feeling like I'm gonna faint, and I'm like hyperventilating secretly deep inside. And I'm like, can I go to the bathroom? Because I'm like, I just can't take this and I need a minute to breathe. Because you know, it's a lot. You know, you have to learn so much, and then the test is like condensed to like this, when you need to learn like all of this, and you don't really know what questions are going to be on the exam, and you can only take so many practice tests. And so, you know, I needed a moment, and when I came back, she's like, congratulations. And it was like, I wanted to scream, but you can't, you know, because people are testing. But I felt like, second to having my kids, that was the like second best accomplishment that I've done in my life. You know, like after high school, I didn't really have to study, and I didn't really take many tests. And the only other test I had to take was to become a personal trainer. So, I mean, it was definitely a challenge, but I was there for it and I overcame it. And it just shows that if you guys set your mind to something and you really want to do something, if you want to open a business, if you want to be a real estate agent, if you want to do whatever it is you want to do, like, you really can do it if you set your mind to it. And you take a step every single day and you stay dedicated, and when you get knocked down over and over again, you just get up and you keep going and you don't stop, and you just push, because if you do, there is light at the end of the side. There's light at the end of the tunnel. It's greener on that other side, okay? And so I just want to be that person to motivate you guys to live your dreams. Like, honestly, don't let anybody tell you that you cannot obtain your dreams. Like, really, you can. You can do whatever you set your mind to, really. You truly, honestly can. If you want to be a lawyer, if you want to be a doctor, if you want to be a business owner, if you want to be a billionaire, like, you really can achieve that. Like, there's people out there, the millionaires out there were people like us that had a dream and made it happen. So just remember that. That's what I remember. That's what keeps me going every day. You know, just know that success doesn't happen overnight for everybody and for most people. Most people do have to work years to see the progress. But those years of trial and error is going to make you stronger, and it's going to teach you. If you were just handed millions of dollars in success, what did that teach you? It didn't teach you dedication. It didn't teach you perseverance. It didn't teach you to get up after you've been knocked down, told no, freaking failed the test. Like, you know, like, you got to keep going. And you can really create your own reality if you believe in yourself and if you believe in what you want. It's attainable. If you want to be a successful business owner, you can do it. And I just want to end this video with that. And I hope that you guys like this video and are excited for this new journey with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.